Accessibility Guidelines. Lesson Plan for Accessibility Fundamentals, WCAG. By EduPro.
How to meet CAG, Part 3. Level A, Principle 3, Understandable. Guideline 3.1, Readable. 3.1.1 Language of page. Programmatically define the primary language of each page. A lang attribute should be included on every page of your website. Verify that the language code is accurate. In terms of language variants, use lang equals NS for English in the United States and lang equals NUK for English in the United Kingdom. Guideline 3.2 Predictable. 3.2.1 On focus. Make sure that when a user focuses on any element on the website, the context of that element does not change. For instance, opening a submenu or completing a form. Make sure that nothing changes by getting attention. We should refrain from making changes to the page's appearance and behavior. An HTML and CSS only website cannot be on focus by default. Scripting is required to implement this. Unplugging the mouse and using the keyboard to navigate the page is one approach to check this point. 3.2.2 On input. Make sure that any changes to user input shouldn't alter the page's context without first notifying the user. Make sure forms don't submit after data entry. Make sure that once a form field has been filled with data, emphasis does not shift to the following form control. Give each form a submit button. Make sure your users have control over the data populating process. If the context changes, offer a directive that is accessible to all user groups. Guideline 3.3, Input Assistance. 3.3.1 Error Identification. Make sure that items in error are clearly highlighted and the error message is described in text when input errors can be detected automatically. Verify that the text is free of mistakes. Don't merely highlight form problems with color or other visual indicators. To programmatically associate the form control with the error, use ARIA describe B. Don't make the submit button inactive. Some websites hide the submit button and only show it when the form has been filled out completely. This is improper behavior. Give consumers the information they need to proceed and be as clear as you can with your problems so that they can take the appropriate action. Make sure that the text on the website is distinguishable from errors. 3.3.2 Labels or Instructions. A clear label should be present for any elements that need user input. Provide instructions if the user input requires further information. Always label all form fields and controls with clear labeling. Specify instructions when a form field calls for a particular type of information or format. Make sure the labels accurately identify the fields. Associate the labels programmatically with the corresponding fields. Offer group-level labels and link them to the group of form fields when more than one field, such as a phone number or credit card number, requires user input. In these cases, make sure to additionally provide individual labels via the title property. Thank you and please stay tuned for the next lesson.